Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and this is my beauty channel. If you're not already subscribing, you should really consider to do that. Just go ahead, click the button. And of course you can like, comment, click the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future uploads. Today we're going to do a declutter of my makeup things. We're in my recording and makeup room. I've just went through a surgery. I put in some breast implants. I'm going to do a separate video on that, but I went through the surgery maybe 5 days ago, so I haven't really found enough energy yet to start to play with makeup again. So therefore we're going to do this cleaning and decluttering video. With all of that said, let's start this video. I picked up some stuff from upstairs. We have some cleaning stuff, this plastic bag, some candle holders. I thought maybe I could put some makeup brushes in these. I don't know. A regular basket. These are amazing for this kind of stuff. That's pretty much what I have brought from upstairs. I know I look like shit, so just ignore it. I have my second camera. I'm going to put this somewhere and I don't know where to start. Maybe I should get some of my eyeshadow palettes and we will clean them. Maybe get another basket and then we go through my drawer. So this is more face palettes and these are my eyeshadow palettes. So I bought these on IKEA. So you're actually supposed to put dinner plates in these, but I use them for my palettes instead, and then I put them where you can see them. So maybe we'll just use one of them. So I think I'm going to put the palettes I'm most excited about using in that, because then you see the palettes all the time and you remember to actually use them. This is a pretty recent purchase. So beautiful. I've used it maybe 3 times. I love it and I want to use it more, so let's put that in there. This is also a pretty new palette for me, the Nomad by Juvia's Place. I wasn't really surprised by this one, but of course I'm going to give it 1 or 2 more chances. So let's put that there as well. This is the Metropolis. Used it a couple of times, still very new. And the gold palette. So let's put both of them in there. Oh, my new Vice Art palette. So cute. Is it too small? No. I'm not sure what's wrong, but my camera won't focus, but I think I fixed it now. So I haven't really given this a chance. It's the Bye Bye Birdie palette from Colourpop. It's really cute, but I felt like it creased a lot, but we'll give it another chance. I haven't really had a chance to use the Soft Glam from Anastasia either, just a couple of times. I want to try those as well. No, maybe we should give this one a chance. This is a Colourpop eyeshadow, but it's also a collab with the Kathleen Lights, or with Kathleen Lights, the So Jaded palette. Didn't really like it, but give it a second chance as well. I haven't used this in a while, so this is the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Bling Boss. Now we're going to clean all of these and we're going to put small palettes in this one, I think. Maybe we put small in this one and the big in here. So I'm just going to fast forward doing that and then we talk a bit about the face palettes. I hate when palettes break like this. So annoying. I guess it would be time to throw away my Anastasia palette. It looks disgusting, but I'm not. This is so expensive. I'm just going to save it, but let's try to clean it a bit. Not a big difference, but yeah. Do you have any tips on what you do with all of your Glossybox boxes and Beauty boxes, Lookfantastic boxes? This is pretty much the only usable thing or purpose I found for them, and that's storage. I don't know. I forgot about a lot of these things. We're just going to move all of this to my jars, and then we're going to just puzzle it together. I'm just going to clean a bit, and then we're going to put down all of the baskets and see how it turns out. I think that looks pretty good. So I thought maybe I could put bronzers or something in here and let it be open. I think we're going to do that. And maybe bronzers, highlights and blushes. If it's enough space for all of those, we'll do that. So this is how it turned out. And this is how the rest of my makeup look. And this, I have all of this stuff. And here I have a lot of new makeup, all of my boxes. So I'm probably going to clean that in a part 2, but for this video, this is all I'm going to do. So yeah, keep your eyes open for part number 2. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye!